welcome back to my next episode. Sven here. I got a little extra time on my hands now that the Tyler Dega races are no more. So my focus is on this El Toro Loco that I just picked up a couple of weeks ago. You've seen it last episode. Gunner loves it. It is a victim of being sun-bleached. It's been left outside for so long that the plastic is starting to change its molecular structure. You know, it's crystallizing. And Jason Baldridge, the gravedigger buddy of mine who does the stickers, man, this guy's built a lot of them, taking them apart. He says the way to do this is to use a torch, propane torch, and you use the torch and you hit the plastic with it real lightly and it brings it back. See the difference between what's been torched and what has not been torched? So that's my plan, is I'm going to set up my time lapse and go around this thing and start torching it, bringing it back to it's a little bit better. It's not the color I'm looking for, it's the texture, that's so I can paint it. I'm going to make it like a day glow orange. It's going to pop when I'm done. And it's going to go real fast too. Know that, right? I've got, what do you got in plan? I'm going to go 40 volts, dual 40s on the front hood. Of course, these little lights will light up then eventually. It'll blow smoke out the front. It'll be badass. Stay tuned. El Toro. Yeah, it's the next build. That's what we're doing.
I don't do solo, you be Yoko, I'll be owner. I don't wanna live in mono, stay and remedy my home. We can party down in Soho, gets me up when I am Lolo. I say Marco, you say Polo, nice single, let's go loco. I don't do solo, you be Yoko, I'll be owner. I don't wanna live in mono, stay and remedy my phone. We can party down in Soho, gets me up when I am Lolo. I say Marco, you say Polo, nice, go let's go. Let's go loco.
The El Toro is going to look muy bueno. Beautiful. All right, so what a transformation. Oh my gosh, that fire technique is almost like you're painting with fire. You're really just changing the molecular structure of this plastic. You're bringing it back. You know, it's crazy. Thank you, Jason Baldridge, for this technique, man. It is so much better. You can see it. It looks cleaner, doesn't it? Look at that black. It's like I repainted it, but I didn't. That's just fire. That's just torch. I'm going to do the tires too. And this is a pretty cool technique. I'm still going to paint it day glow orange, which will really freshen it up, make it look bright, and do this orange yellow again. But man, what a difference. Holy crap. All right, Libby says she loves it. She says, oh my gosh, look how better that looks now. The colors come out. You know, I'm thinking I'm not even going to paint it. I'm going to give it a good bath, blow it off with my air compressor, and have Jason make me some stickers for the flames and the El Toro logos. And I think it looks a lot better. But it's still going to get modded, though. Still going to go 40 volt. It's got to go fast. Put some more fun into it, right? All right, well, thank you. This is the first episode. Thank you for checking on me. I'm going to get back with you guys. I'm going to start taking this thing apart, installing my pulse wave module system and the 40 volts. That's next, all right? Stay tuned.